In this lesson, we're going to subtract some decimal numbers. So if we have a problem like this that says subtract, and we have 17.08 minus 14.63. So the first thing to do is to remember your place value. Okay, so these are the tens, these are the ones, these are the tenths, these are the hundredths. And the ones that end in THS come after the decimal. So the next step is to subtract each place value starting with the lowest place value first. So you would start with the hundredths. This is the lowest place value. And a tip is to carry down the decimal, then subtract normally as if it is not there. So let's do that. Let's make sure we put in the decimal. Okay, so you bring down the decimal in the exact same spot where you find it here in the question. So now we can subtract normally. So 8 minus 3 is 5. So let's put 5 there. 0 minus 6, we can't do that. But step 3 is to remember to borrow if the subtraction cannot be done. Example, in the tenths place, in the tenth place value, you can't subtract 0 minus 6. You will need to borrow. So let's borrow from the next place value. So we would borrow from here. We cross out the 7 and it becomes a 6. So we borrowed a 1 from the ones column and we put it here. So now we could do the subtraction. 10 minus 6 is 4. And don't worry if you don't remember borrowing. If you look in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that can explain that for you in detail. So now we just continue. So 6 minus 4 is 2. And then 1 minus 1 is nothing. We don't put 0 here. We just leave it blank. So the answer is 2.45. And that's the end of this lesson. And if you need to, you can also download the ebook and follow along in the ebook this exact lesson as you watch the video. If you like the video, make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.